What's up, everybody? It's your boy D-Man here trying to help somebody that has had an issue trying to get their signal back on for the LG washer top loader. Yes, I've been stressing about why my sound has not come back on. Let my sister come over, try to wash some clothes. Next day, no sound. Real simple, guys. Let me just walk you through. Turn on your washer, turn to your setting, and you're like, what is going on? There's no sound. What is happening over here? So, real simple, guys. I'm gonna turn this back off. You turn it on. Spin the dial all the way around, back to normal. And then there should be a button here with signal. You just hold that button down. You should hear beep, boom, there you go. Back in business. And on this model, I believe this is a 2018 model, it actually has a higher setting, so you can hit it again, and it goes even louder. And to turn it back off, which some of you probably don't want to do, hit that signal button again. No sound. It's gone. I hope this helped you guys like it helped me. D-Man exclusive.